Hi guys, welcome to Solvang, California. So we just got here. So we are trying to find some food because we drove from Monterey for 3 hours, more than 3 hours. So go get some food and show you around and see what's Solvang all about. Does it feel like being in Denmark? I've never been to Denmark, so I don't know. But I feel like I'm in US city, looks like Denmark. Today's Monday, it's like really slow, everything, most of the things closing down really early. Here's the famous windmill. Wow, that's pretty nice. It's actually feel like you went somewhere. So this is Solvang Bakery. It's a very famous thing. These places I'm gonna try to eat before I leave. We're gonna try and find the Hans Christian Andersen place. I think it's close by. I read about this one. This one has like a lot of books in here. Gonna check that out. The booklet of Solvang book called Hans Christian Museum. And here we go. If you guys know anything about him and read any stories, you know this guy. Here he is. It's Hans Christian Andersen. There's a lot of old books in here. Oh, there's a workshop. Huh? So next to the sausage place is the 3 statues of the people who actually built Solvang, the founders. So this is a 3 pepper hot dog sausage. You can see the pepper around here, but I mean it's not spicy at all. Actually, this yellow thing is spicy. Let's see what they have. So, one chocolate, and pistachio. Got like real pistachios in it. This is a chocolate. So the next one is a pistachio. They have real pistachio in there.
Square windmill. We do have 5 windmills in the city. They are all decorative. They do not turn. One of them used to. I'll point that one out a little bit later. Also on the left here, you're going to see a carousel horse here on the sidewalk. That is Poncho. And behind Poncho in the corner over there is the Solvang Trolley ice cream parlor. They do have Santa Barbara made McConnell's ice cream and freshly made everyday waffle cones. I point that out because that is the first place I'm going to show you where you can use your trolley ticket for a discount.
Hi. I like all kind of spice in here. So this is where the pistachio bars that she's looking for to see.
Chocolate rocks. No vanilla.
So that's pretty nice. That lady, she asked us if first time in Solvang, and we said yes, and she's like, she gave a free Danish bakery item for us to try. That's pretty nice. Never seen that. And one thing I realized over here is like the service is pretty nice. We're from Orange County, compared to Orange County, the service or the customer service is very, very nice. There's a lot of restaurants and bakeries, and it's pretty nice. Let me see. Oh, right here. It's coming up.
Your destination is on the left.
So, home of Able Skiber. I was trying to get a once able skiber just to try out, but they only sell by 3, so they can't do it. So I tried to get the able skiber, but they don't sell by 1, so I'm not gonna eat 3 right now. They should sell by 1. But I got hash browns, sausage and eggs, and she got the roast beef with the ragu sauce and french fries. Let's try that one first. Let's take it here. Those are pretty good. Yeah, it's okay. Nothing special. Just regular scrambled eggs and sausage. Just kind of burnt. It's okay. Out of all the places in Solvang, this is the least customer service. Food is bland. The only thing I think have them for going is the able skiber, and pretty much that one is a pancake is in a bowl. That's the end of the Solvang trip. A few things. You only probably need 1 day here. There's nothing to do more than one day. The food is expensive, kind of comparing to other areas. It's touristy price, but it's really enjoyable. You know, our portion size is very good. The service is pretty good, except that place. So yeah, it's a really good place to enjoy. If you're coming on weekday, there's less crowd. And on the weekends is probably busy a lot. So yeah, if you like this kind of videos, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Share my videos with anybody who likes these kind of videos, so I can get it in front of them.